Hi, this is Eric the Parts Selector. Today we're going to show you how to replace the drain hose on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new drain hose for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsselector.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's drain hose pumps dirty water out of the appliance. If it becomes clogged, damaged, or improperly connected, the dishwasher may not drain correctly or water may begin to leak. First, disconnect the power to the dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a power cord, unplug the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to turn off the power at the breaker before disconnecting the wires in the terminal box, which is located underneath the dishwasher. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Then, feed the drain tube and power cord through the holes in your cabinet as far as they'll go. Next, turn off the water shutoff valve for the water supply line. Then, remove the access panel on the bottom of the dishwasher by undoing the retainers. Place a towel or sheet pan under the dishwasher to catch any water that may leak. Now, disconnect the water supply line from underneath the dishwasher. Leave the drain tube attached. Next, open the dishwasher door and remove the screws securing the dishwasher to the countertop. If your dishwasher is side-mounted, remove the screws from the cabinet, which may be located behind the cabinet seal or behind the plastic cap on the side of the dishwasher. You may need to lower the dishwasher's leveling legs if it is too tight against the countertop. Now, slide the dishwasher out from underneath the countertop, being sure to feed both the power cable and drain tube through the holes in the cabinet. With access to the back of the dishwasher, pinch and pull the retaining clamp holding the drain hose in place using a set of needle nose pliers. Keep a towel handy as water may leak during the removal process. Then, pull the drain hose out of the loop hose. If you need to purchase a new drain hose, you can check out our website, partsselector.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. The drain hose can be purchased at 2 different lengths depending on your model of dishwasher. The factory length is at 6.5 feet and the extended version at 12 feet. When purchasing a replacement for your dishwasher, make sure you are purchasing the correct size. Before installing, note that the new drain hose can be cut for a more accurate fit. If the waste tee on the plumbing is smaller than the drain fitting on the hose as it comes, cut here to remove a portion that is too large for the tee. Note that if you cut the hose, you'll need an 1.5 to 2 inch screw type clamp to secure the hose in place. Now, connect the new drain hose to the loop hose. Then, reinstall the retaining clamp to secure the drain hose in place. Insert the drain hose through the upper hole and the power cord through the lower hole in the cabinet. Then, press the dishwasher back into place and gently pull any remaining slack through. When installing a new drain hose, we recommend that it is looped up and secured to the underside of the countertop or connected to an air gap. If your countertop does not have a pre-existing location to fasten to, you can use a screw mount zip tie. We'll leave a link in the description below to where we got ours. Zip tie the drain hose, ensuring that there is enough slack remaining to connect it to the waste tee. Then, screw the loop into the underside of the countertop. To reinstall, begin by laying the water line on the floor so that it is in line with the inlet valve. Then, tape it down so it remains in place when sliding the dishwasher. With the dishwasher near the cabinet, feed the drain tube through the hole located towards the top of the cabinet and feed the power cord through the lower hole. Now, push the dishwasher back a few inches underneath the countertop and continue feeding the drain tube and power cord into the cabinet. Repeat until the dishwasher is in place. With the dishwasher door open, align the holes in the mounting brackets with the pre-existing screw holes under the countertop or with the screw holes in the cabinet if using side mounting brackets. You may need to extend the dishwasher's leveling legs to ensure a tight fit against the countertop. Then, reinstall the 2 mounting bracket screws. Now, reconnect the water line to the water inlet valve located on the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, reinstall the access panel by aligning and inserting the retainers and securing in place. Reconnect the drain tube to the sink plumbing or garbage disposal. Now, plug in your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to reconnect wires in the terminal box and restore power by flipping the breaker. Then, turn on the water valve. Finally, test the dishwasher and check for any leaks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.